to find the receiver deep for the touchdown. Everyone protect this home. Everybody.
And what a start for the Canes.
They're just taking their time, running their plays, going down the field. Coach Dawson is
raining down there already.
You know, he has that luxury right now with the playmakers, the offensive line, and his NFL quarterback.
Well, for the first time today, like rain beginning to fall, they were calling for rain pretty much before the weekend began. Had some overnight, but been a mighty nice day. Start the season off right and get game day ready. Scan the QR code below to shop team swag and game day essentials from the CW Football Saturday Shop. Brought to you by Dick's. Every season starts at Dick's.
Come on, Bane. Mesidor.
Here right now, USF is going to have to just run at this defensive line. You're going to have to find some positive plays on the interior. Because right now, Miami's just so fast on the perimeter.
Isaac is checked in the backfield. And an easy throw. Reception made by Neptune. The largest deficit through the first 2+ games, which USF has faced. We're only behind 7-0 in the game against Boise State. It was back and forth the entire game against the
Fuck, can't throw the ball.
They go fast, and you can tell Miami had a little bit of lining up issues, or just something that they wanted to improve on coming into the season. They talked about, look, we got to communicate, we got to line up fast. You can see right now all the players are talking to each other. How they make plays.
In fact, last year, every single defensive coach was fired except for Jamal Miller, Jason Tatum. Every game after that epic collapse at the end of last year on defense. And coming in a little hard now.
Yeah, you better run. Yeah, where you going? Oh, motherfucker. God fucking damn. Fucking goddamn. Put Brian on the goddamn bench. Fucking had him. You let him fucking go. Son of a bitch. Let him get behind you. God damn. Fucking bullshit, busted ass fucking play. Put that motherfucker on the bench. He had his ass.
He knows he's about to get hit, and he took a shot right there in the wrist. Listen, we talked to Coach Golders, and he said that Byron Brown is the heart and beat of South Florida football.
God damn.
A clear example of what he's willing to do to help his team.
Let this motherfucker go down there. Had him third down, man. Oh, fell down. 3rd and 10, guy. Oh, you play in Florida. You should know it rains.
I love that he took it. He was just the play before. The next play is no quarterback run. Why not?
No, he didn't.
So this would be roughly a 45-46-yard field goal attempt.
Fuck, man. Let that motherfucker get behind you.
And Gramatic is standing right next to the coach, waiting for the go sign, and he just got it. So they spot it at the 27. So this will be a 45-yard attempt.
Listen.
Nico Gramatic. He's a big play. He's in 5
Oh, it's a fake.
this year. And look at this. They had a fake punt, you may remember, and threw it for a touchdown in the game against Boise State. What do you think they were doing there?
Listen, in a game like this, you got to find any way to get some points. So it was interesting right there. I thought they would go and kick it. Maybe that spot is a little too slick and a possibility for the Gramatica to not make that field goal. But I love it. Just change them up. Get the team to burn a timeout. Think about it. But I love it. And this playbook, just call everything.
How about the ramble and wreck of Georgia Tech? They're going to be ranked this time.